Hello viewers. In this video, we will solve two math problems. Stay with me to the end of this video. 4 times the reciprocal of the circumference of a circle equals the diameter of the circle. Then find the area of the circle. Solution. Let C be the circumference of a circle and D be a diameter of a circle. Then, C equals pi times D. Reciprocal of the circumference is 1 over C equals 1 over pi times D. But 4 times the reciprocal of the circumference equals the diameter. Therefore, 4 times 1 over C equals D. Substitute C with pi times D. Then, 4 times 1 over pi times D equals D. Multiply both sides with pi times D. Then it will be 4 equals pi D square. D square equals 4 over pi. The area of the circle given by A equals pi times R square. But the radius R is half of the diameter. R equals D over 2. R square equals D over 2 square equals D square over 4. A equals pi, R square equals pi times D square over 4 equals pi times 1 over 4 times D square. Then, A equals pi times in bracket 1 over 4 times 4 over pi. Finally, A equals 1. Therefore, the area of the circumference of a circle is 1 square unit. Suppose alpha and beta be the root of quadratic equation such that alpha plus beta equal 4 and alpha times beta equals 1. Then one of the following is not true. A. 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta equals 4. B. Beta over alpha plus alpha over beta equals 16. C. Alpha cubed minus beta cubed equals 30 times the square root of 3 when alpha greater than beta. Solution. We have given that alpha plus beta equals 4 and alpha times beta equals 1. Then, let us check each. 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta equals alpha plus beta over alpha times beta. Alpha plus beta over alpha times beta equals 4 over 1 or 4. Therefore, multiple choice A is true. Beta over alpha plus alpha over beta equals beta square plus alpha square over alpha times beta. But we know that alpha plus beta, the whole square, is equal to alpha square plus 2 times alpha times beta plus beta square. Since alpha plus beta equals 4 and alpha times beta equals 1, then 4 square equals alpha square plus 2 times 1 plus beta square. 16 equals alpha square plus 2 plus beta square. 16 minus 2 equals alpha square plus beta square. 14 equals alpha square plus beta square. Therefore, beta over alpha plus alpha over beta equals 14. Therefore, multiple choice B is false. Now let us work multiple choice C. Alpha cubed minus beta cubed equals alpha minus beta times alpha square plus alpha times beta square. We have to find alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta the whole square equals alpha square minus 2 times alpha times beta square. Alpha minus beta the whole square equals alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 times alpha times beta. Alpha minus beta the whole square equals 4 square minus 4 times 1. Alpha minus beta the whole square equals 16 minus 4. Alpha minus beta the whole square equals 12. Alpha minus beta equals square root of 12, or 2 root 3. Therefore, alpha cubed minus beta cubed equals alpha minus beta times alpha square plus alpha times beta square. Alpha cubed minus beta cubed equals 2 root 3 times alpha square plus beta square plus alpha. Alpha cubed minus beta cubed equals 2 root 3 times 14 plus 1. Since alpha square plus beta square equals 14. Alpha cubed minus beta cubed equals 2 root 3 times 15. Alpha cubed minus beta cubed equals 30 root 3. Therefore, multiple choice C is true. Thanks for watching this channel. Subscribe, share, and like my video. Stay tuned.